Hello everyone, this is Coach Connie Osorio. Hello IMG community. For this particular video, we will learn how to redeem Soldivo Funds in our IMG portal. If you're new in this channel, please do not forget to share this video and like it, and also subscribe in our channel for more interesting tutorial videos in IMG community. But before that, of course, kailangan po nating maunawaan na since it is pandemic, it is the perfect time to invest your money. That's why we wanted you, or we wish that you already have watched our or one of our previous videos. Bakit nga ba magandang mag-invest ngayong pandemic? In this particular video po, mas maiintindihan nyo why is it the perfect time to put your money and not redeem. Ano po? But for the purpose of illustration and mapagbigyan din po yung nagre-request paano talaga mag-redeem ng ating Soldivo Funds, I made this video for our community. So you may share it to everyone who needs it. And again, don't forget to watch this video. Mauunawaan nyo po kung bakit mas maganda na magtanim magtanim muna tayo ng pera para po lumago ito. So again, sa mutual funds po, kailangan po na nauunawaan natin na meron talagang time para magtanim at umani. So again, since medyo mababa po ang market natin, hindi po ganong kataas yung gain kapag nag-redeem tayo. But para po mas maunawaan, I will show you kung ano po yung effect or ano yung mga naging gain once you redeem your money from our Soldivo Funds during this pandemic. Okay, kung ready na po tayo, of course, the very first thing to do is to log into our IMG portal, img-corp.net, and do not forget to supply your user ID, that is your member code and your password, and then hit the login button as always. And then you will be forwarded dito sa ating beautiful portal. Just go to my dashboard in your portal and then locate your IMG Soldivo Funds where you will be clicking your View Portfolio button. Okay, so kapag na-click na po yung button ng View Portfolio, all you need to do is to locate the Request Redemption and click it. Ayan, makikita nyo po, katulad sa mga previous videos natin about mutual funds, we have already shown the two kinds of funds that you can allocate your money. Yung Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund, again, is for the long term, and Soldivo Bond Fund is for your short-term goals. But we will be redeeming both. Ano po, para mas makita natin para makita nyo po yung effect kapag ngayong pandemic kayo or medyo mababa ang market during crisis, ano yung magiging gain ng pera nyo once you redeem your shares. Okay, so again, request redemption, and then you will see a table. Doon po makikita ninyo yung status ng mga redemptions na ginawa nyo or request. Okay, all you need to do is to click the add redemption button, and then fill out the redemption transaction form. Meron na po tayong autofill doon sa date, of course, kung kailan nyo ginawa yung redemption, and then yung folio number nyo, which is also your member code and your name. Okay? And then ang kailangan nyo na lang pong isupply is the fund name. Of course, we have two, Strategic Growth Fund and Bond Fund. For this example, I have selected the Bond Fund. Of course, mas maganda, dun muna tayo mag-redeem para may konting gain yung pera natin. So, kapag nakapili ka na ng fund name mo, you need to supply the number of shares to redeem. In this case, 2,000 shares. Medyo malaking shares na po yan. Kung titingnan natin, of course. So, illustrate natin yung ganyan na meron tayong 2,000 number of shares that we would like to request to redeem. And then, do not forget to carefully read the declaration of signatures bago nyo po pirmahan. Okay? And dapat po malinaw sa atin na once you redeem your shares, it will be deposited to your NeuraCash account. I suggest that you need to set up your NeuraCash account first. Ano po, para ma-liquidate nyo yung pera nyo. Pwede pong nakalink siya sa ating bank account. Okay? Meron po tayong previous video nun. Hanapin nyo po sa channel natin on how to set up your NeuraCash account if you're a new member. And then, after that, kung okay na sa inyo yung declaration, you need to sign in the member signature text box. Kapag ka nagkamali po, there's always the clear button. And don't forget to supply your valid ID. Click the choose file button and then kailangan po naka-ready na siya. Alright, so upload it in that area and then don't forget, kapag ka okay na tayo, is to click the submit button. Okay, kapag ka na-submit na natin yan, you will be forwarded to your IMG Soldivo Fund dashboard, and lahat po ng redemptions will reflect on the same table on that dashboard. And you will see here na may 2,000 tayo sa bond fund na ni-request, and then meron din tayo sa strategic growth fund. Medyo 500 lang po muna kasi just for the purpose of illustration. You will see if it's still pending or completed and released. Okay, so makikita nyo naman po yun. How do you know? How will you know if it's already in your NeuraCash account? NeuraCash will always send you an email. Okay, these are the sample email notification, and this in this email notification, you will realize na yung 2,000 shares po natin sa bond fund. Again, bond fund is for your short-term goal. So in the matter of 8 months, pinilang ko po kung gaano katagal na yung bond fund. It's 8 months. So nung nag-redeem ng 2,000 shares, it gained 27.38 pesos. So medyo maliit pa rin yung gain. Ano po, so kaya po dapat ma-realize natin at ma-educate talaga yung sarili natin na this is not really the perfect time para i-pull out natin yung pera natin. But here, makikita natin na nagkaroon naman siya ng tubo. However, when you try to pull out or redeem your money from your strategic growth fund in this time of crisis, medyo talo tayo doon. Kasi kung matatandaan nyo kanina, 500 shares, lugi. Ano po? So, ganun po talaga. Kasi mababa po yung ating market. If you already know how to compute it, much better. Pero again, yung ni-request ko po munang video, bakit nga ba magandang mag-invest ngayong pandemic, panoorin nyo po yun. Meron tayo dong peso cost averaging na computation para malaman nyo kung magkakaroon ba ng gain yung pera nyo once na magre-redeem kayo. So it's very encouraging or very, very suggestive talaga na dapat po meron talaga tayong what do you call this, education in terms of mutual funds and other investments. Mas maganda po nauunawaan natin. So again, that is how simple the process of redemption is. Okay, so pagka ganyan, you can visit your NeuraCash and you can go ahead and cash it out. Okay, so para po mag-guide din kayo on how to set up your NeuraCash, don't forget to visit the channel and look for this particular video on how to set up your NeuraCash, and you can transfer your funds to your bank. Okay, so again, I hope you learned something about this video, and I would like to say that God bless everyone, and do not forget to give importance to your money and put it somewhere else na magkakaroon talaga ng magandang kinabukasan ng ating pamilya. So again, this is Coach Connie Osorio. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you, everyone.